Glow Up Soul presents how to remove blackheads and whiteheads on your nose and chin. Having blackheads and whiteheads staring at you when you look on the mirror isn't very pleasing for the eye, and they can make your makeup look bumpy as well. But what are blackheads and whiteheads really, and what caused them to appear on your skin? Before I share with you one effective homemade remedy that has worked very well for me in removing both black and whiteheads on my nose and chin let's find out what they really are. Blackheads are pores in the skin that have become filled with oil, dirt, and dead skin cells. Whiteheads are also pores in the skin that have become filled with oil, dirt, and dead skin cells, but unlike blackheads, they do not open to the surface of the skin. There are many things that contribute to you having blackheads or whiteheads, such as eating foods that are too oily or contains a lot of dairy, using oil-based products like your makeup or sunscreen, being anxious or angry, which triggers the stress hormone, over-exfoliating your skin, not washing your face regularly, overdoing your skincare routine with a lot of products. If you're dealing with consistent blackheads and whiteheads on your nose and chin areas, don't be overwhelmed by this condition because it's very common. Use this easy but effective homemade remedy with things that you might already have to rid yourself of blackheads and whiteheads that has been persistent. What you will need: egg white, few drops of lemon juice or apple cider vinegar, and tissue paper. Method: separate the egg white from the yolk and whisk it or blend it. In a clean bowl, pour your beaten egg white and add a few drops of lemon juice, or you can substitute with apple cider vinegar. Dip your clean cosmetic brush in the mixture and apply on your clean face, focusing more on the area with blackheads. Apply strips of tissue paper to create a DIY peel-off mask. Keep on reapplying the egg white mixture and tissue paper strips on your face 3 times to make it more tight. When the mask is completely dry, peel off the tissue paper strips and rinse your face with warm water and moisturize. This mask is also effective at removing facial hair, so you can apply it on your whole face, then peel it off, and you will be left with a smooth and glowing face with no blackheads, whiteheads, or facial hair. It is best to use this mask twice a week. If you have some mixture left, then store it in the fridge for the next use. Egg whites have astringent in them, and when paired with lemon juice or apple cider vinegar, is going to tighten your facial tissues and pull out blackheads on your skin and removing dirt. It is best to use skincare products and makeup that are non-pore clogging, avoid getting sunburn, eating a healthy diet, and cleansing your face twice a day with mild cleansers if you want to keep blackheads and whiteheads from reoccurring on your skin. Do you suffer from blackheads or whiteheads on your skin? What remedies do you do to remove them? Share your tips in the comments section. If you found value in today's video, make sure you hit the like button 3 times, share the video with a friend or 2, that won't hurt, and subscribe to my channel because doing so will help my channel out. Are you a skincare lover and would love to learn tips and tricks to keep your skin so glowing and blemish free? If you are, then turn the bell notification on because I will be uploading twice a day and you don't want to be left out. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I appreciate it, and you are a superstar.